You're humble. Yung ginagawa. Yeah. Alam mo, feeling ko parang feeling ko ano siya. Hindi ka naman ba rotation. Ay, oo. I get it. Diba? Yung instant. Sarap. Pero wala sa instant. Ito, instant. Oh, parang artificial. Kulang ng sago. Yes, diba? Yes. Ano diba? Ito rin. Ikaw ang nag-watch.
Make sure you double check, quadruple check all the way.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Okay na.
Hello, morning
sige,
guys.
dito na.
Huwag sa akin natutok ang lapit kasi masyado eh. Kita takot ako sa camera.
Hi, June.
Hello. Guys, product
Hello.
testing.
Product testing.
Product testing.
Testing.
So
How
I
was
can
it?
upsell Mikey's products now.
Yeah.
I know. Get with the polarized dust.
You swim with this. Ano, mahirapan ka pala?
Clearer daw dapat
Do you
underwater.
ba yung underwater?
Yeah, underwater. Pero wala sa
Is it waterproof?
Yeah, it's waterproof.
Dolphin kick.
Hey guys, so pupunta tayo sa ilalim.
Common misconception with the easy breath is that you're going to have normal breathing. You're not. It's still labored breathing technically.
Yeah.
That's why we don't sell it to people with heart or lung conditions. Do note, okay?
Tanong pa, tanong nagbinata.
Sino matawa nito? Matawa nito.
Kaya paano kaya mo tumingin sa araw?
Huwag kang titingin sa araw.
Ano, try mo lang. Kung first sa wala.
Nagtilag ito ko.
Do the Jaws scene, do the Jaws scene. Darat, darat.
Sige mo, ikan. Nakikita ko yung sarili.
See you later if we survive this. Kasi walang tubig yung pool. So, eto na yun. And did you guys know na dalawa lang kami today?
So, pag sumigaw kami ng help, walang makakarinig.
We rented the entire summer cruise.
Oo nga, no.
Saan ka dadaan?
Hey guys.
Hello! Hindi ko na alam. Ganyan lang. Ganyan na ako mag-vlog. Tahimik lang.
Yan. Mukha-mukha agad yung nakita. Light daw, light daw. Okay.
Hold on.
Ganito pala, mahirap pala maging cameraman sa mga found footage.
Where are you? Oh, there.
Sigaw ka, blob, 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 blob.
Ano to? Bato?
Blob, 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 blob daw, tulong.
Restock on ammo.
Tagal mo naman.
I wanna be a cowboy, baby.
Parang ito. Balik tayo. Ayan, sige na.
Oh, ano? Hey, what's up? The water. How do you?
Waterproof.
Waterproof ka daw. What's up?
May I give a few words out there? Few words na lang. Few words.
What?
Let me just give a few words out there, guys. I'd like to thank everybody who brought me to the top. Really at the peak of the game. Shout out to my twin over there. Shout out to myself. Shout out to myself. Share pics,
Bruh, the flash.
I'm happy. Wala na akong dalang bag.
Ilang oras tulog mo?
Wala pa.
Dito tayo sa taas para makita kayo pababa.
Hi, my name is Marco, and we are at Mount Makiling. Makiling bigla.
Say hello to yourself, guys.
I'm with my Johnny Boy. With our best tour guide. Yes, sir.
So naulan na nga po, guys. Grabe yung patak. Mabigat. Parang tinatamaan kami ng maliliit na bala. Peak 3? Yeah. Peak 3? Peak 3, pre? Fuck this shit. Peak 3 na to, no?
Yes.
Mommy, I'm so sorry. Very dangerous here, pero having fun naman. Okay.
Ah! Fuck! Brother! You good, brother?
Yes, sir.
Meet my cowboy. Cowboy.
Everybody,
Cowboy number 1.
I'd like to say my
Go guys!
Oi! Nawala!
Wala itang going.
I don't know what size it is now. My X8, y'all.
Pamotivate mo yung nasa Peak 1. Pamotivate mo yung nasa Peak 1. Ano po? Yung gano'ng kaganda dito sa taas.
Joke lang, wag kayo mag...
Peak number ano to kuya?
3. Ay, 2 na ba? 2. Say hi.
Hello. Pillar number 2 of
Philippine North Star Project.
South Star Drugstore.
Tara guys, group tayo. Ingat po.
Yun, oh.
Nakita mo ba?
Hindi ko nakita. Sorry.
Matulas habang nagsisintas.
Yung baba. You can jump this one.
Ano na tayo? Selfie action. Action na tayo talaga.
Can I be the subject? Something can happen again.
Ayoko sa'yo.
Sige. Pagtambol guys.
Oo!
That was death, bro.
Di nakita. Fudge. Nakabaliktad. Nakatalikod.
Keep rolling, guys.
Tingnan na nga. Sa inyo ko na nga pipit.
Keep rolling, boy. Yan. Guys, don't pressure me at the back.
Wala naman kami sinasabi.
I feel your aura.
It's just body heat.
Don't fucking breathe away. Your breath.
It's just body heat.
Oh!
On video.
I think I got it on video.
Defective. Did not help my fall.
Ano yan?
Terrible.
Return and refund. No exchange.
Hey guys. Hello. We meet again. We met again. Ito yung timpla ng Spanish na hindi. Mali. Yun pala guys. Wala fail naman. Hindi pala tayo pwede mag-influence. Hindi nga eh. Ang hirap maging influencer. Kala ko may order pa. Today's agenda is i-discuss ang aking summer lore habang nag-review siya sa board exam niya. May nangyari sa akin. Guys, isang buwan lang ako nawala. Isang buwan lang ako tumahimik. Isang buwan lang kami di nag-uusap. Hello guys. We just finished ilan ulit?
1-5.
1-5. This is us after the swim. Featuring Ria's Pocari Sweat. Gutom na ako. We're gonna eat at Yabu and Cloud.
Pistachios are fine. They're good. It's okay.
Careces, Miss Charissa Beli.
Linya nung pinakauna dito. Nandun tayo sa...
Hindi na hit light mo. Tada.
Pasok po na kayo.
Merry Christmas!